What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix. That's brought to you by the Raw Coders. Yes, that's us. Today you might be wondering that it's just one raw coder, which is me. Yes, you're right, because the other two, one, they've got Diwali, so they won't be attending this stream, which wouldn't be a problem. It's always good. It's always good. It's always good to have some family time on these special occasions. And one has got his Simon due, so he won't be attending for that reason as well. But yes, that put aside, let's continue, and we will um, have some fun together. All right. So first and foremost, so I'll just give you a bit of a background first. Is that we're working on this open source project called Scrambler, but what we are doing is adding persistent storage to an open source project called Scrambler.ca, and that's basically our part. And also we are putting the entire infrastructure on AWS platform, and also integrating some security features and all that awesome stuff. All right. So with that said, I'll just do quickly a acknowledgement of the country. So let's did you let's did you cancel your credit cards? Yes, Tori, I made sure I canceled it, man. So I won't get bankrupted now. All right. I'll quickly do the acknowledgement of the country. So I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. All right, with that said, that's done. That's always good. So today, what we're going to be working on, we have to make sure that as in, I think the first note is being inserted in DynamoDB correctly. So with that said, let's jump into the fun part, which is coding. You guessed it, coding. All right, cool. So I'll just open up my. Actually, first I need to share my screen. What am I thinking? All right, here we go. Cool. So I'll open up my VS Code, and actually, this is gonna be a kind of a good stream because we're going to be trying to finish up the functionality that we've been trying to do since a few days. So yeah, that is it. I'm just going to go and get the latest changes, and we can take it from there. Can you repeat that? What would you want me to repeat, Tori? All right, cool. So this is it. Let's do git status. Duh, 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 duh. Oh, right. So I just made up as in kind of a saying. So, but yeah, I'll repeat that again. All right, here we go. So let's jump into the third part, which is coding. You guessed it, coding, which is always fun. Let's go, 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 soldiers. All right. So we have this one. So where was our? So I need to check what changes were done by K. And we can continue from there. He must have pushed the code in the repo. Uh, do, 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 do. Oh, right. Okay. Apparently, it wasn't pushed. Interesting. Cool. So what we can do, actually, did even did it push in the one of the other branches? Sticky note. No, that's not the one. No. So it was this one. I don't think he's managed to push the code in, but yeah. Um, mm, let's just check. Until what the changes that we have done are made up to. So I'll open up um, to the client and the local server, and then do no command found. No, why? Local server. I bet it was this. And I just used Python's. Okay. HTTP. So right, let's go there and do this one. What was I gonna do? Yes, I need to go into that one. Open that one up. ZE4. Oh, alright, because this is not gonna work, obviously. That's because we have the wrong IP as in the endpoint. So I'm gonna share my screen because I don't really want to give the API endpoint out again, so that we get spammed. And I'm gonna go into my AWS account and AWS is what happened to AWS's webpage? Ah, okay. The CSS didn't load properly at all, but now it has. Cool. So let's do this, and I wanna do that. Okay, do that and see where this takes us. Cloud formation. All right. Okay, cool. So this is our endpoint. Just want to make sure that I'm not sharing my screen. I can't open up the URL stories, but I will do that after the stream. I'm really curious what that can be. Okay, so I'm not doing that, which is fine. And as so, I'll just get this one and open up my environment.js file and update my endpoint over here, which is brilliant. There we go, and that's it. Okay, now close this, and then now I'm gonna come back and open my screen share, and we'll go straight right into it. Here we go. Okay, and I'll stop this and then do that. Boom. All right, this is there. This is there. Don't need that one now. Cool. Actually, I'm gonna check if I can. No, I can't. I cannot. I can do this. Okay, so this should do the trick as well. But I wanna be able to look at that. That's the only problem, that I won't be able to look at it. Okay, here we go. We can do it that way. Okay, create a new board. This is interesting. I'm doing something that I'm not supposed to do, and it's not picking up the URL at all. So I'm just gonna do that again, as in stop sharing it, because I don't really want to give out my API URL. And I'm gonna save this, and then I'm gonna save this as well. Yeah, this should do the trick. Then API, yeah, I'm calling it there, which is fine. Am I even on the right launch? Yes, I am. Okay. Anyway, let's continue with from there, and this is okay. I'm gonna open that in incognito, and then it should work. No, no. Still loading up. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I will stop the server and then reopen again. Incognito and see what it goes with. Okay, here we go. Cool. So this shouldn't show me that anymore, which would be good. 5. Okay, cool. So this is gone through. Now what I need to do is I'm just trying to hide the console because I don't really want to give out the URL. So I'll do this text. Okay, I'm just gonna stop share. Uh, start spinning signs for a living. Hey, get there, what's happening, Geezer Gang? Uh, so once celebrating Diwali with his family, and Kay had, as in Dinesh is doing that as in family celebration, and um, Kay has his assignment due tomorrow, so he is off doing that one. So you guys are stuck with me probably. I'll try my best not to bore you guys too much, yeah? Oh, look at that. What kind of music is it? Tori? Okay, I'm just gonna do that one, and just gonna check if my requests have been successfully done. Oh, there we go. There's my console. No inserted. Okay, text. Yeah, so that is giving up. So what I need to do, so is taking that one completely, which is fine, and as in this text is coming up, and actually, I might do an alert to also show you guys how it's appearing. So in that way, I don't give up my um API URL. Should be good. All right, so let's get that cracking. Just want to show you guys that as well. So I forgot to do an alert there. Array. No, what's there? No, what's the I'm in the wrong. No, yeah, I should have been in the scripts. My bad. So our console is here. Add text to array, which is fine. Um, Now what we need to do is I'm just trying my best to keep um eyes on the chat as well. Uh, hey, welcome Jupiter Raf. Good to have you. He's got his assignment due tomorrow, so that's why he won't be attending tonight's session. But I'll try my best to not to bore you guys too much, and therefore you guys are unfortunately stuck with me tonight. Yeah. Right. So add text. So where did we add this? Called this one. Okay, we called it over here, and if give I give this one a hard code ID of an existing board, just to see it entering in there in our actual board. Okay, cool. So it's about to come, about to come. Come on. There we go. Cool. So get all boards. How many boards have we got? Oh my god. 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 Anyway, forget that one. I will just focus on what we need to get done. Wow. Wow. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and delete those records from uh, it, the AWS account. Okay, DynamoDB. There we go. And I'm in the right one. Yes, that's fine. Why am I looking at the DAX cluster? I need to go into table. Scrambler DB. Yeah, that's the one. And we view items. We just need one, and the rest can go. Actually, this one, I'll just take the empty one and delete the rest. Cool, there we go, perfect. So now we only have one, which is great. And we can go back and check that as well. Cool, so just one board here, which is brilliant. And I'll take this board's board ID and then hard code it over there. Over here to see if the text comes in there. So when when the thing has been created, and I'll just do an actually I don't have to do an alert. It will just come. Yeah, should just come. Cool. So do that and okay, and now we go back to our app. Do, do. You will go to the next page. Come on, hurry up. No, doesn't want to go. Interesting. Why doesn't he want to go? Actually, I don't even want to show the URL here. Uh, will this add proper then? There's more. Well, I'm missing a lot of comments here. I need to keep up. Sorry about this, guys. Right. Yeah, he must be. uh, Work is going good, active, as in pretty good, as in working on reports at the moment. So learning a lot about that. Are we in for classic stack delete? We did that yesterday. So now our API URL is safe unless we accidentally show it in the console. But I'm still working around to work on that permanent solution as well. Why don't you just throw the API in API gateway for your dev environment? Ah, interesting. I'm gonna have to have a look in that because I don't really know how to do that and what that will do. So yeah, I'm gonna research on that one and see how I can do that. So and add proper authentication. Yes, we need to add proper authentication. But that would come after the MVP for sure. Uh, will this app? Yes, it well. We plan to have integrate auth into yes. Du- 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 du. Format response. Okay, how long is it? MVP minimum value product, possibly on GagDev. possibly minimum viable, minimum value product. As in, I would basically say FVP, which is a free value product. uh Anyway, I'm gonna just stop my share and see the console because I don't really wanna show the API endpoint. Right. So what postcode name? My cache is messing me up. There we go. Yeah, it was the cache messing me up. All right. Cool. So come back to the thing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go. Cool. So let's get this party started. I will do this. So no, hang on. I'll actually close this because I don't want that to happen. As it, I don't want the API endpoint to be out. So test one. Okay, I do test one, and then as it gone insert into the table. Board notes. No, it hasn't been inserted in the table. I thought I got rid of all the things over there. We want some. Oh, all right. Huh. Okay. So D4. So basically, I've got this, which is fine. I'll delete this one. Then just that one is available, and then I'll do the board name of this, and then insert in there. Keep an eye on the chat as well. There we go. That's fine. Oh my! This is interesting. Okay, cool. So let's test this one out and see what it does for us. Close this, open this again, and hard refresh. Boom. T1. Okay, and then T1 would be that. TN1. TN1. Okay, has it come in the DB? Yes or no? Wow. I'm pretty sure I'm deleting all this. So where does this keep coming from? Actually, I'm gonna delete that board as well. Okay, I'll create another one. Okay, and now if I do as in a scan, it shouldn't show me an. Okay, cool. Right, T1 board name, but that's T1 still there. And here I don't have any board, which is really interesting. S- Run. Okay, if I do that as well. Okay, cool. Now it's looking good. Cool. So I'll go and create a board. T1. Okay, now I should have a board there. Only one board, which is fine. Yes, perfect. And then I want to create a note in that board as well. So do this T1. Oh no, it won't, because I'm giving it hard-coded values. So if I just want to check if the note gets inserted in this. So if I do chat anything on the chat, I guess I can make touch from her mobile. Yeah, boom, baby. That's the way, Tori. Open with deletes and the spam. Yep. I need to really, as in, um, do that. You probably need a script for deleting them in Mars. Yes, to be a ref, I'm gonna work on that. That one is really interesting how this project is teaching us, as in how to the security the security concerned. How much was last bill was, I think, around $50. Hmm. You should shoot and be a panhandler. I'm really thinking about gag dev, and I might take one of your advices as an Uber driver or panhandler. I'm really considering it now. Okay, so this is our that one. Now I'm gonna go back to VS Code and changes, because I want to make sure that my text that I'm inserting is being added to the board. In just for testing purposes, I'm using this hard-coded board ID. So let's check if that goes through. Okay, my app is there. Hard refresh it. T2. There we go. And if I do note for T1 and T1, cool. And I should see this note in the previous um, board, in this board. So let's check. Actually, what I'm going to do is just get this board individually. Oopsie. It's base URL board. Yeah, and there you go. Cool. But oh, really? How is that possible? As in, I'm not even showing the endpoint, and still. Oh, okay. Cool. So just for the sake of it, the the note is being added, which is fine. Okay, so this was our note here. Let's check what's happening in the chat. Uh, delete, in, instead of spending time on a delete group, why not spend time on fixing the scam? The spam. Why do I keep calling spam scam? I wouldn't. I know you wouldn't, Tori. Hey, look at that. You guys have my a really bad nickname. No, I'm not accepting that nickname. No way. That's not gonna be it. All right. Da. All right. Who is doing that? This is not good. Okay, anyway, moving on. Wow. Just wow. All right, I'm gonna try my best before as in tomorrow's stream time. I'm gonna try and fix this issue. Okay, cool. So that's being done. Our note is being inserted perfectly fine. So now what we need to do is um, add multiple notes. All right. So for that one, um, we're gonna what are we gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna create a function, an async function to save save board note, as probably save notes. Okay, and in that one, what we need to basically do is do a for loop. So text for note. So we need to do a for loop on this one. Okay, this is going to be interesting. What's what's in the chat? No way, no. Zardos. Ah, yeah. GPO, I like that one. Zardos. No way, gag dev. No, no, no. Tori, no. I'm not accepting that. I really like. Come on, gag dev. Easy, easy. Your last one is really funny. Do I smell that bad? I'm pretty sure I don't. Oh, yeah, I like Jupiter's one though. Zardos. Actually, that can probably be my as in name on the screen, as in Zardos. Because at the moment I've got Saint Zoro, which is also really cool, but I think that's becoming really old now. So I need a bit of a modern one. At least you can at least remove your commented code. Yes, yeah, there are a lot of things to be done, but I'm just focusing on this part at the moment. So text for note. So if I create text for note, so for each of the note text, okay, what we want to do is actually how do you do this? Oh, I forgot JavaScript again. JavaScript again. JavaScript again. Has come on. Alright, let me Google how to Let me go. I love the nicknames going around. Be edgy. Yeah, I love it, Jupiter. Be edgy and spell it with an X disorder. Is that some kind of a I don't know, kind of a porn star name? Sounds like one. Sandoz. Oh, with an X. Yeah, yeah. True to no, 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 kick them. No, as long as it doesn't have US at the end, no way. I'm not. Um, I'm not accepting that. Ah, okay. Stardust is a movie. Interesting. I'm gonna like that one. Actually, if I'm not working on the weekend, I might watch that because the name sounds really intriguing. PhD and quick coding tonight go live in the woods. Actually, I was seriously thinking like that I wanted to do it, but where I am at the moment there are no woods. Actually, let's do that. I'm not gonna code. Let's be edgy. Yes. I don't think you want to watch it. Why not? Ah, actually, I'm gonna Google Zardos as well, but I won't show the screen. Oh no! Oh my goodness! No, that looks really funny though. To be honest, as in just by the images of it, I'm like, I'm imagining, I'm imagining myself being no, 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 no. I can't handle this. No way. I'm not gonna do that. Cardi should take time. Should take one the name Starboy. Sandoz and Starboy. Pretty much. Uh, pretty much, Tori. Actually, that's a really cool, as in stage, the stage name though. Xandos and Starboy. I might talk to Care about this, as in we can actually have our own screen name, but then we have one other team member who's joined us, Tanesh. What would his nickname be? That's exactly what I was thinking. Okay, that would be hilarious. As in the kind of banana spills that I'd get thrown at. Oh my goodness sake. Full of banana. And the banana smell as well. Hmm. I'm thinking, oh, how about tango for finish? Tango. No, that's actually a bit of an old one. You have to write one kind of, oh, you have to write one line of code tonight. Yes. And yes, let's do this. So I'm gonna just took a bit of a break and coming back. So we were over here and we needed to do a for each. I forgot how do we do a for each loop for each in JavaScript. Yes, for each method. All right, for each. Okay, my functions. So we create another function. since save notes, and then we create a function, another one called async. Actually, let's do it here. So function save note. Okay, so we wanna save all the notes. So actually we wanna push all the notes in this first. Add text to array. Adding text to array, yeah, that's fine. So every time we add it, it will go there. Every time we add a text to an array, I want it to go there, right? Add text to array, yeah. So how about that this to be decoded in other languages than JS and TS? Yes, Jupyter Ref. I'm primarily blah, what's happened to my English? I'm primarily a .NET dev, so VB.NET, C Sharp, ASP.NET. I'm mainly code in that, but this is just as in I don't know, just for playground purposes. Right. Add text to. Okay. So it will come here. It will add the text. Add text to array. Yes, it will add the text to array, and then keep on adding the text to array. Just wanna see if it actually adds all the multiple text to the array. Uh, so 72 NT3 NT4. Cool. So all these should come in an array. And I'm gonna just stop sharing my screen due to the endpoint URL. Uh, let's see that ZT7 data. Okay, ZT ID. Okay, cool. So that's not doing it right. Um, I, actually I can share my screen because it's not showing me the URL anymore. So our array was this one. Okay, cool. So this was the reason why. So it just keeps on pushing it, which is fine. and then what I want to do is display the entire array, not just one index. Text for note. JSON.stringify. Yeah, text for note. Okay, let's check this one out if this gives me the entire array thing. Cool, let's do this. Get dev to know when are you going on the board is suggest against her. Get dev, please correct this mistake. Which mistake is that, get dev? All right, cool. So there we go. Right, all that one is being there. Okay. Get sorry on it again. Yeah, okay. So I would love him to be on again. We will check as in what time and everything suits us both, Tori, and you can come back on. We will love to have you again, man. Okay. And so going back there. No, I don't want to do this. So create that one again. See for whatever that is. Okay, let's check CT1. Whoa. No, that's not good. So what it's doing, it's inserting one character as an object, which we don't really want. T1. So T1 and then 12. Okay, cool. So I want one object to be in that one. T2. Okay, cool. So it's fine. It's appearing fine. T1, T2, and then T1, 12, and cool. So it is being pushed, which is fine. Right, okay. So that is being pushed. So what we want to do is add text to array. Yes, we want to add note to array. Add note to array. What's the chat doing? Or nothing new? Cool, that's fine. That's for John. So our text is being added to the array, and then it's been put, and the entire note has been pushed, which is fine. And now what we would need to do is take this array and save notes, and take whatever's in this array, and for each note, actually, how did we do this? For each my function, and then function the item. Cool, I see. So function note save. Okay, and then we would do we wanna save whatever's in this notice. So this would have, so whatever is there, we would need to call that one. We would call this function over here, save note, and then note. Okay. So what I'm basically doing is calling this function for all of on the text for notes. And then what I want to basically do is I want to say that wait post note, insert all these notes for each of them. Um, save notes, note. And note. Hey, check your Slack. Oh, Tori, hang on, I will do that. I'm gonna have to stop my screen share in that case and check it. Oh, look. Oh, these pictures are really funny, to be honest. Thanks, Jack Devon Tori. You made my night. Actually, yes, I'll share my screen and show it to you on that one. It's pretty hilarious. Hang on a minute. Um, Actually, what I'm gonna do is download it and then open in actually I can open in browser as well, which no, I'll have to share the whole thing. Hang on, I'll download it, and actually I'll share my screen really quickly because I don't really wanna do that. No, actually just download it, and then off we go. Oh, this is funny. This is really funny. Okay, I can show once. Actually, no, I'm not. I I changed my mind because I just downloaded it and saw it as a high resolution picture, and no, it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Sorry to be fair. I Japan breath. I would if I see you in person and then show you, but it's embarrassing to show you on the screen. Yeah, exactly. As in, once things are on the internet, they stay there. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I'm not feeling as insecure. Yeah, that was pretty creative though. I'll have to say that, yeah, you've got pretty creative eye. Right, guys. Been a pleasure again having you all. Uh, hope I wasn't too boring, and yeah, we got a bit done, so which is always good. And yeah, if you want to see how we continue tomorrow, uh, actually, yeah, tomorrow, or I might not be able to do tomorrow because I might need to do overtime from tomorrow evening until Sunday. But I'll see that how that goes. But yeah, let's see. Tune in when you can, and we'll see you next time. Until then, take care of yourselves and have a great night. Take care, guys. Cheers. Bye.